Hello. In this video, we will learn about using slicers in pivot tables.
In our previous lesson, we talked about applying filters, but we mentioned that filters is now outdated and the new feature called slicers is a better and user-friendly option to use. So let's look at how we can use slicers to basically do the same thing and filter our pivot table by certain fields. So we can come here. So we can come to the pivot table analyze tab, and then under this filter section, you can see insert slice option over here. So we can click on insert slicer, and it's basically showing us a list of the fields by which we can apply slicers or filters to our data. So let's select customer and click OK. Now I got my customer list here. And at the moment, see, since I applied 3 customers were selected by my filter earlier, I have those selected. But if I want, I can select different customers as well. So if I come down, so the customer list is long. So if I want to make this easily visible, I can come here under these buttons in the ribbon. I can increase the number of columns from 1 to, let's say, about 4. And then I can drag this. Now I can see basically all of my customers at once. So from here, if I want to select, I can select with the mouse like this. And if I want to select multiple, I can press Ctrl and select like this. Or I can, if I want to select everybody, I can press Shift and press on the last customer, and it selects basically all of the customers are now in the pivot table. So as you can see, this is a more user-friendly and intuitive way for us to filter, because we see all the fields or the customers here, and we can basically filter very easily using the slicer. So if you want, you can add additional slicers. So you can come here, go to pivot table analyze again, and insert a slicer. Let's say we want a slicer by region. And click on that and say OK. Now we got a additional slicer by region. So at the moment, all regions are selected. Let's say I only want East region. I click on East, and now only the East region report is there. So likewise, I can select with the control button and the mouse whatever the regions I want in the pivot table. So slicers are a more intuitive and user-friendly way for us to use filters, and they are more effective than using the old filter method.
Thanks for watching.